Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to replace engine air filter on 2009 Chrysler Sebring. This works from 2007 all the way up to 2010. To start, open the front hood, and the engine air filter is located right here under this black cover. To access it, you will want to lift up these two clips here and here. Okay. And now by doing that, you will have enough space to pull the filter out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand, but it should be doable. Okay, this is your air filter. So once you get the new one, you can just squeeze it back in and get it done. If you can't pull out your air filter like this, there's not enough space for you, what you can do, you can loosen up this flat screw right here, but don't unscrew it all the way, just loosen it up, and then you can pull the air filter cover of this hose, and you can remove this hose as well, and then you will have a complete access to the air filter. But most likely you won't have to do it, you just can pull it out through this hole. Thank you for watching this short video. If it was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to post new videos daily. I post lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, 0 to 60 times, and similar automotive topics.